Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can create a bootable USB drive for Kali Linux. We'll need a few files. We'll need a Win32 Disk Imager file, and then we'll need the ISO file for Kali Linux. So this is the tool or the program we'll use to create that bootable USB drive. And then, of course, we'll need the USB stick. So we'll begin by opening a browser and searching for Kali Linux download. We'll go to the link that takes us to kali.org, go to Get Kali, and then we'll go with this option, click on this. And if you scroll down, you can click on this to download the ISO image. The download should begin. It's in progress right now. I already did the download, so I'm not going to do it again. I'll cancel this. The next file we'll need is for the Win32 Disk Imager. So we'll search for Win32 Disk Imager. We can download it from SourceForge. So click on this link, and then once you get to the site, just click on download. The download should begin, and there it is. So I already have this one also, so I'm gonna cancel that as well. If you go to the downloads file, you'll see that I have these two files. Now you'll need to install this if you don't have it already. Just click on it and go through the process. Just click on next. You can create a desktop shortcut and click on install. Okay, click on finish and it's gonna launch it for you. Now this is the Win32 Disk Imager that we are going to use, and as you can see there is already a USB device detected. Now all I need to do is point to the ISO image, the Kali Linux ISO image I downloaded. So click on this icon, and then you need to go to where you downloaded your image. So let me find mine. Change this, and this is it right here. So I'll click on it and double click on it, and now it's selected. Once you have it showing here or selected and you have your device, make sure it's the correct USB device. You can now click on write, and this is a pop-up warning you that the device will be, any data on the device is going to be erased. If you're sure you want to continue, click on yes. And this should begin the process of creating the bootable USB drive for Kali Linux. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause the video and come back once this process is done. Now, as you can see here, we have a small window that pops up that says write successful, complete. So that it took several minutes, but it's finally done. All we have to do now is click OK. And then we can exit this. And after that, we can just eject this. And now we should have our bootable USB drive ready for Kali Linux. So that's all for this video. Hope this has been helpful. Catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.